For home use, plug the mini fridge into a wall outlet using the included AC power cord. For mobile use, plug the DC power cord into a 12 volts outlet. Place the plug with the concave indentation upward. Slide the power switch on the back from off to cool or warm setting. A green light indicates the unit is in cooling mode. While reaching the middle, it is the off. A red light indicates the unit is in warming mode. Press the handle and open the door. The shelf inside is removable, which can be easily pulled out and slid back into place. The drip tray can be detached easily. Check the drip tray regularly. Pull it out and empty any accumulated water to prevent overflow. The removable basket can also be disassembled for cleaning. Keep the door closed during operation to maintain temperature. Unplug the unit when not in use.